AximTrade Web Terminal is an innovative, user-friendly platform that is designed to provide users with the ability to trade efficiently without having to download any additional software and is available directly from any web browser. Using AximTrade's MetaTrader Web Terminal, traders will be able to place pending, market orders, and track all their trading activities on both live and demo accounts. It is easy to use and just requires one click to open the web terminal in a new window, giving traders instant access to trading from anywhere at any time. In addition to offering traders a secure and intuitive interface, AximTrade Web Terminal enhances the data and is transmitted through a secure encryption process. Aside from this, our traders are able to open and close trades with one-click functionality, apply effective risk management, as well as have access to exceptional charting capabilities. With AximTrade's Web Terminal, traders will be able to configure charts, access to real-time codes, view all trading activities, trade directly from the chart, and no download needed. In order to start trading with AximTrade Web Terminal, traders are required to go to our website, which is www.aximtrade.com, then click on the download section, and then click on the Web Terminal button. As soon as the Web Terminal is open, traders can log in with the login credential and click the OK button at the bottom of the window, and this will allow traders to have full access to their trading accounts within seconds.